So have you been wondering a way where you can make your voice sound like a studio voice? So actually this is a mic, this is not the studio voice, but watch this.
Almost immediately. So that's how I joined Bajomo Digital's graphics design and social media management class.
So this is where it gets interesting. So listen to
Came
this.
almost immediately. So that's how I joined Bajomo Digital's graphics design and social media management class.
So the first thing we are going to do is to extract the voice from the video. So you go to Zender, we're going to be using the Zender to achieve this. Then you go to MP. So once you click onto MP, you click on local, you click on that three dots in order to remove the audio from the video. Alright, so once you do that, you see that it has been removed. So then the next thing you have to do is you go away from Zender, then we'll go to Adobe Podcast. That's what will help us. So you go to enhance, then you choose a file. So you are going to choose that same voice you just extracted just now from, and that is it at the top. You go to recent, then you click on it, then it will take a while, then this is the sound, then you download the sound. So after you download the sound, it's going to sound very alike like a studio voice. So once you downloaded the sound, you go to InShot to edit the video. You can use CapCut. So you have to extract the sound from the video. So you have to reduce the volume to 0. That's the video you have before. We just extracted the sound. So the sound will still be in the video. So and then you overlay the new sound. So you go to music, you go to effects, then you go to music again, then you search for, you can see enhance. That's where enhance is. So that's the one we are using. So once you overlay it, it's going to sound very alike. So listen.
The director of Bajomo Digital, that's Ife Oluwa. I must say that guy is very human. Like his passion for helping people is on another level. This Bajomo Digital, that's Ife Oluwa. I must say that guy is very human. Like his passion for helping people is.
So having achieved this, you download your video and you have it. And for those that want to join our courses, you can go to the comment section and let me know, or you can go to the bio and click on the link and reach out to me. So make sure you follow the channel, also subscribe to the channel, and watch the end of the video.
People to pay for this class. This is 2024, and from the look of things, this year is really going to be very rocky. We just started the year with the news of petrol going to 1,200 naira in no time. So a skill, just any skill at all, will help you. So Bajomo Digital is the place. You get value for less, luxury for less.